Pop. Hey, what's going on?
Hey, son.
Hey, you didn't say anything about getting a boat.
Oh, well, I got laid off from my job. Well,
Where'd you get this?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna start a new fishing business. Check out my new boat. Make some money. Get out of this house.
Far out.
What are you gonna do in the meantime for paying the bills around here, you son of a bitch?
Oh,
Wow,
God. Here we go.
is that for us?
Oh, gosh.
Is it ours? Well, I'm afraid so. Is it ours? Is it ours?
As soon as we get the permits and...
Hey, Bobby, look what we got. I don't care. We're gonna start a business.
Hey, where you going?
I need to go whack it.
Gee, it's not like Bobby.
Well, I thought he'd be more excited about this fishing business.
I think Bobby has a problem. A problem? Did something happen at school today? Must have.
Why?
All he ever wants to do is go in his room and read magazines.